Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to be looking at Autopilot marketing software. Yes, there's lots of software about for doing affiliate marketing, and there's so much buzz around it because did you know that a lot of people in affiliate marketing, they simply don't make that much money from it because they don't know how to do it properly and it takes so long. So this software is going to reverse all that for you. It's going to make it so much easier. Now, I only promote products that I see good value in. I can see that you could use. Now, this is certainly a piece of software that I'm going to use. I think you're going to love it. And here's what you're going to discover. You're going to discover to do in minutes what before took hours to do. It really does take that much off the end of this process. This shortcuts the whole process for you. So you're going to discover how to make affiliate profits, lots of it, and generate much higher profits than you've probably ever done doing it manually. At the end of this video, I've got something really special for you. I have some bonuses, lots of them. So stay tuned to the end of this bonus. Enjoy the video. Oh, and by the way, could I ask you a favor? Just click the button which says subscribe directly below this video. Click the little bell, and that's going to make sure every time you come back to this channel or you come to YouTube, you're going to know if I've made more profit generating videos.
Do you know that making money online isn't that complicated once you've got a system in place? Now, if you're anything like I was, you're probably bouncing around from product to product, trying something new, but never getting anywhere with it. This may include blogs, reviews, videos, paid traffic, social media, the list goes on. Well, there is a much easier way to make money online without all that hassle, and I want to show you exactly how. This is the story of how two affiliate marketers went from $0 to $50,000 per month and how you can copy their exact steps. Actually, they will just give you the exact steps completely done for you. First though, let me ask you, do you know how much most affiliate marketers and bloggers make online? Let me tell you the sad truth. It's anywhere from $0 to $100 per month. More 0 than 100, being honest. Yes, this is the cold hard truth about online marketing. I personally spent 3 years struggling to make my first sale online, trying to work out methods, formulas and systems before finally cracking the code to success. Once I streamlined that process, regular sales began and my commissions grew every month. Now myself, Jason Fulton, and my business partner Mosh Barry are two affiliate marketers who are making over $50,000 per month from affiliate marketing, and we want to give you the exact copy-paste solution for you to replicate the same results every single month. Over and over again, we're banking those numbers, and that puts us in the top 1% of affiliate marketers in the world. Now, the reason we make 500 times more than the other 99% is because we know how to pick the right offers, create the right affiliate campaigns, and promote offers the right way. And we've promoted more than 300 offers that have made over $300,000 in commissions. Now, what if we give you our exact campaigns, give you all our promotion systems, give you access to all our affiliate funnels, reverse engineered all the top promotions, and then put them in a software for you so you can copy them and make 10 times more sales than you do right now? Yes, we've actually made a new software that can do all of this for you. Introducing Done For You Profits, a Done For You affiliate marketing system that gives you 30 Done For You affiliate funnels to copy, paste and start profiting in just 60 seconds. Created by top affiliate marketers who have proven to make real money, and not just a couple of $100, but $50,000 per month in commissions, $5,000 in a solo promotion, over $2,000 in a single day. All this is real proof that this system works, and the people who created this stand by it, getting the results from the exact system that we've been given you. In just 3 simple steps, you can go from 0 to profit using Done For You Profits. So do you want to see how simple this works? Let me show you. All you have to do is log into the Done For You Profit system. Select one of the hot Done For You campaigns you want to make money from. Now activate the traffic, sit back and relax while the software does all the work for you. That's how easy it is. Just 60 seconds and you are done. You can launch a new campaign every day and make more money. This comes preloaded with over 30 campaigns that you can use to make money. Not just that, this is fully cloud based, so you don't have to install anything. No setup, no config needed, just click, click and done. Done for You Profits was created keeping you in mind, so even if you have zero technical knowledge, you can use this like a pro. This works for you without building a website, without buying a domain name, without buying any hosting, without creating any content, without buying any more bad products, without having to create or shoot any videos, and without worrying about traffic. We've spent months reverse engineering the most successful affiliate campaigns to develop an all-exclusive software that automates everything for you. Commissions, list building, and traffic all on autopilot for the easiest and fastest way to make rinse and repeat passive profits online. No bots, no video making, no Facebook ads, no techie stuff. We focused on stuff that works. Stuff that has worked for us, and we've given you exactly that. A profit making system that earns you commissions from JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank combined. All you have to do is click the button below and get your access today. You're getting a proven system that is perfected by two top marketers who make over $50,000 per month from this, and you can copy their exact system for yourself. Promotions, campaigns, list building and traffic, all done for you. Just click the button below and get started now at the special introductory price. Take action now, because without this you will still be in the 99% that do not make any money online. Let's change that today. Get your access to Done For You Profits and start making money online.
So here am I on the sales page, and you can get in here in just a moment and you can check this out for yourself. There's lots of things that you might want to explore to make your consideration. Now, what I'm going to do is give you some bonuses, and the bonuses I've got for you, excuse me one moment, there we go. The bonuses I've got for you, you can get at by clicking on the link directly below this video. Just click on that link and it will bring you through to my bonus page. I made this up a little while ago, and what I've done is basically taken the best of what I thought was on that page. It's the distillation of the very best. Okay, so the first video is the one you've already seen, and this is how it works. Now, this is really interesting. I'm not going to play it for you here, but I will have a quick cough, excuse me, because this is going to show you actually how it works. It'll take you inside the software, inside the back office, and you can see how it works. Now, this is really, really simple. So get in there and study that. You'll enjoy it. Also, they're telling you that the early adopters have been making some amazing money on it. And they give you some examples. Look at this one, 574 in one day, 417 in one day, 1,016 in one day. That's dollars, of course, and 448. Results before and results afterwards. So get in here, have a look at these, and there's also some recommendations, testimonials here, so you might want to read those. So what does it all cost? I know you're dying to know. Well, the cost is between $67 and $37. Now, that sounds a bit confusing, so let me explain this to you. They're going to put this on a dime sale. So if you're in on the launch, you might get it quite cheap. You might get it a lot cheaper than you would when that dime sale is finished. However, if you're not happy with the price, it goes from 37 up to 67. If you're not happy with that price, they will offer you the 37 price for a slightly reduced service. In addition to this, there are also some one-time offers, OTOs. Very lucky to have those, because this means not only can you do this for yourself and make a lot of money, it means that you can go out there and you can offer your service to other people, and those do cost more, but you make more money from it. Anyway, this is a marvelous bit of software, as you've already seen. So to sweeten this deal, I did say I had some bonuses for you, and here they are. Remember, to get through to this page, you have to click on the link directly below this video. And when you finish looking at those, come down here and look at the bonuses I'm offering you, because I've got 8 of them. Now, to get my bonuses, all you have to do is click on one of these black links and it'll take you through to their sales page. And if you do decide to make a purchase, then you get all of these bonuses as an addition. As I say, they're my sweetener. So what are you getting? You're getting Instagram marketing made simple. Now, I've never done Instagram till recently, and I took the information here and it works. I'm starting to drive a nice little stream of traffic. You might want to do the same, especially if you're affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how to explode your YouTube channel, or rather this bonus will. Now, that's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm building this sort of video. It's very profitable, but you have to do it right. So this bonus will show you exactly that. A friend of mine keeps nagging me to put this in here as a bonus. It's Printly. It is a complete product. He makes his entire living at it. So it's really worth looking at. The following three bonuses, this one, 10K a month online, 7 deadly sins, and list building on steroids, they're all to do with email marketing. Now, I make the majority of my income through email marketing. So take it seriously. If you've always wondered what's all the hype about email marketing, this will get you started on it. This will give you the ideas. So you really want to take this seriously. This is a very valuable series of bonuses here. Also, I'm going to give you 2 Facebook bonuses. Why? Well, I drive a lot of my traffic from Facebook. So you've got 8 bonuses there, and I hope you like them. Remember, all you have to do is click on this link. It'll take you directly through to their sales page. If you decide to make a purchase, you get those for nothing. When you come around to pick your purchase up, it'll bring you back to a page that has a big green button on that says access your purchase. You can go back in there a second time and click the blue button, and that will take you through to all of your bonuses. So how was that? Now, if you have any comments or questions, just ask them below and I'll be very glad, very pleased to answer them for you. What I would like to know is if you enjoyed this video, because if you did, please take just a moment to give me a blue thumbs up, because that gives me some very positive feedback and it means I need to make more videos like this one. Remember the subscribe button below, just click it, and the little button here, and I'll keep you updated with all new videos I make and profit generating information. Now, thank you very much for joining me today. I've really had a lot of fun making this video for you, so I look forward to speaking to you in the next one.